YouTube, boy Jason, bringing you a brand new YouTube video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple months. And all of a sudden, I decided to drop this video on how you, the people out there, can make 5 figures doing UGC-style content for TikTok. Some people might be wondering out there, what is UGC content? I've been seeing it all over the place. UGC content is essentially user-generated content. So you, the user, you're making the content, you're putting it out there for brands to use about their brands, help sell product, help put their brand out there a little bit more, get the eyes out there on their brand. If you're used to making videos on your own, it's pretty easy to go into the UGC space and just start working. About 3 months ago, I was put onto this program. It's called the TikTok Creative Challenge Program, or TTCC. And in this program, you can do a select amount of videos for any brands that you choose every week. So currently, I do roughly 25 videos per week. They can be anywhere from gaming apps, dating apps, fitness apps, really everything under the sun. Have people like you and me make videos for their brand. And the amount of money that some of these creators out here, including myself, have been earning on this program are insane. Here's some numbers we'll pull up on the screen. 50% of creators who join the program are earning at least $290 after their first 5 videos are passed. 50% of creators after 1 month are earning $4,200 in total for that month or that 30-day period. And the highest reward so far in the program from one single video was $42,000. I mean, it's pretty crazy. And I'd say the coolest part about this whole program is the fact that you don't have to upload these videos on your TikTok page, right? It's like a big benefit. I wouldn't want to be uploading brand after brand after brand ad on my own TikTok page, just ruining the flow of everything that I got going on personally with my own brand. So it's been such a plus being able to just go in, choose brands that I want to make videos for, and then have them upload them themselves. And then obviously I make rev off from all of these videos. So far in 3 months, I've done almost 200 videos. I think we're at like 187. I'll go ahead and put some numbers on the screen here of kind of where I'm at. Thankfully, I was put onto this program because, man, streaming's been rough. Gaming's been down. I'm currently one of those guys. I'm waiting for Modern Warfare 3 to come out so we can get the gaming content back up and kind of get into the groove of things on the Hirsch brand. It's honestly been a life changer. I mean, making over 5 figures in the first 3 months, and it seems to be getting bigger and bigger. Man, I'm trying to have a $10,000 month. We're getting close. And not only that, but this TikTok program has gotten me so many more opportunities just from being in it. I've been receiving emails from different companies out there, marketing companies, media companies that are looking for creators like me, and then maybe you watching the video, to make videos for their brands, and they're paying huge. Not only has the TikTok thing been working out, but I'm getting deals on the other end from other companies out there that have been reaching out to me, and it's just kind of like a win-win opportunity. You know, you're making so many brand videos per week that people are seeing these on their TikTok page. You know, for me, when I scroll TikTok, every 5 videos that I go by, it's an ad. I really wanted to just put this out there for you guys because it's a huge opportunity that's happening on TikTok right now, but you do have to meet some requirements in order to get into the program. So let's go over the requirements real quick. Obviously, you got to be 18 years old. You got to be from the United States. You have to have over 50,000 on TikTok right now followers. For me, it was super easy to just go into this program, make videos for brands out there, and and make ads. It's something I've always been very good at. So if that's something that interests you, you can totally get in. There's a link in the description of this video. If you meet all those requirements, you can join with that link. If you do end up joining with that link, reach out to me, whether it's Twitter, email, Instagram, wherever you can find me, DM me, and I will actually teach you the ins and outs, help you understand the way that the program works top to bottom. And the cool thing is you get some cool benefits just for being under me as a mentee. When you first join the program on TikTok, you get 10 spots per week, meaning you can do 10 brands or 10 videos per week. Spots reset on Mondays. You're able to accept 10 more videos every Monday and just go ahead and do those throughout the week. If you want to get up to 20, you got to be a mentee under me, and that's something that I can do for you. If that interests you, let me know. Like I said, reach out, join with the link in the description below, and then reach out to me and we'll get you set up and I'll teach you the program front to back. If this video does well, if we hit 100 likes on this video, which would be super cool, I'm going to drop another video as soon as I can on how I make my videos with an underrated editing platform, editing software that has been a game changer for me. If you guys want to see that video on how I edit TikToks for my own brand, TikTok ads for tons of different brands, let me know. Drop a comment below. I'll definitely make that video, go step by step, and I'll edit a couple different types of videos for you guys to look at. I feel like I could ramble all day about this, the UGC stuff. If you guys want to know more, if you have any questions, I would love to hear what you guys think below. Like I said, reach out to me if you need any help. The link is in the description for you guys to join if you meet those set of requirements that we talked about earlier. And man, that's pretty much it. I'm excited, man. Your boy Ersh. I'm excited for Modern Warfare 3. I'm excited for the things that we got going on right now, because this opportunity that I'm telling you guys about today has helped me tremendously. I'm able to help my parents out. I'm able to invest in new things. You know, we're going to be doing some gym content soon. I'm going to get some wireless mics. I just have so many ideas and plans that I've always wanted to do. And obviously having more money, you know, it doesn't hurt. So thank you guys for everything. Those of you guys that have been following for a while, mooch love. Those of you guys that are new to the video or new to the channel, consider dropping a sub on it. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. See.